This watch was accurate. Now it's not the same. Nothing is broken. This is how mechanical watches work. Let's explain why accuracy changes over time, and when it's normal and when it's not. Many owners expect a mechanical watch to stay just as accurate year after year. And when it starts running a little fast or a little slow, they assume something must be wrong. Runs fast. Runs slow. But mechanical accuracy is not a fixed number. It's a result of energy, friction, and balance. A mechanical watch is regulated to perform within a range, not a perfect constant value. How fully it is wound, and how stable amplitude is. So small variations are normal. It can behave differently depending on position, temperature, how fully it is wound, and how stable amplitude is. So small variations are normal. What matters is stability, not perfection. Lubrication is one of the main reasons accuracy evolves. Oils age. They can dry. They can migrate. And they can lose their ideal properties. When lubrication changes, friction changes. And when friction changes, energy is not transmitted the same way. Energy is not only about power. It's about how smoothly that power is delivered. A watch keeps time thanks to controlled energy transfer. Energy must travel through the gear train. To the escapement. To the balance wheel. When efficiency drops, the watch can still run, but less consistently. If that transfer becomes less efficient, amplitude drops. And when amplitude drops, accuracy becomes less stable. Sometimes faster. Sometimes slower. Sometimes inconsistent. Mechanical watches also vary by position. Dial up. Dial down. Crown up. Crown down. Crown left. These positions change how gravity influences friction points. Environment. That's why a watch can behave differently on the wrist versus resting on a table overnight. Magnetism can affect the hairspring. Temperature changes can also shift performance slightly. Shocks and repeated vibrations can influence stability. Often these factors don't break a watch, they simply shift how it performs. And over months or years, small shifts add up. So when is this normal? If accuracy changes slowly, by a few seconds per day, and stays consistent, it is usually part of normal evolution. What matters is stability, not perfection. And when should you pay attention? If the change is sudden, if the deviation becomes large, or if behavior becomes unstable from day to day. Those are signals worth checking, not panic, just assessment. Regulating a watch can adjust the rate. But regulation alone does not solve underlying causes. If friction, wear, or lubrication are the reason, numbers may improve temporarily then return. Mechanical watches don't lose accuracy without reason. They evolve over time because the system is mechanical. Understanding these principles helps you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Invisible watch mistakes. Smart decisions before they cost you. Follow for more watch service insights.